So our goal should be very clear. We have 6 months left, right? October, November, December, January, February and March. The 80% of the questions will be asked from 20% syllabus. You should prepare a monthly plan where roughly you have to write how many chapters, which chapters you are going to cover in these particular months. Easily, if you are scoring 125 plus in your KCET. Hello students, with just 6 months left for your KCET 2025 examination, it's now time to become really serious about your preparation. So in this video, I'll be sharing a detailed 6-month strategy where I'll break down the syllabus, resources and how to attempt mock test effectively. So now if you are committed to giving your best shot, then this video can turn that commitment into a top score. So please stay tuned for the complete video so that you can get under 1000 rank in your KCET 2025 examination. So now without further delay, let's get started. So the first one here is set clear goals. So our goal should be very clear that how much rank I want to achieve, what is my goal. Suppose if your dream is to get into the top colleges of Karnataka for engineering, then you have to secure top 1000 rank. Okay, so that is our goal. All of you should be clear with your goal, that is you have to get top 1000 rank in KCET 2025. Okay, so as I told you, our goal is top 1000 rank in KCET 2025. Now to achieve this, what is the way? So generally, like as you know, in your KCET examination, the rank is determined by two ways. There is like 50% weightage of your board examination PCM marks and 50% weightage of your KCET 2025 examination. So what marks you need to score? That is what you need to know first thing. So if you can see here, as you know, board total PCM will be 300, right? And this KCET total is around 180. 180, 3 subjects, 60, 60, 60. So you have to score, these are the marks. So if you are getting in board 295 plus, okay, that is you are done really good in the exam, you are getting 295 plus, then easily if you are scoring 125 plus in your KCET, that will make you to top 1000 rank. Okay, first thing. Now if you are getting 290 plus, okay, then here you need to get 130 plus. If you are getting 285 plus here, then here you need to get around 135 plus. Now if you are getting 280 plus here, then you have to really work hard and get 140 plus in your KCET examination. Okay, so that is what you are now clear, that what marks you need to score your board examination, and accordingly you have to adjust that how many marks you need to get in your KCET examination. Okay, so I hope the target is clear, the goal is clear, because once we have the goal, then we can strive forward to achieve it. Okay, so first of all, I want all of you to write this top 1000 rank in KCET 2025 in a paper and paste it near the study table, so that every day you are reminded of your target. This will motivate you to work hard every day, right? So please today only paste it on your study table. Okay, now coming to the next thing. So we have discussed the goal, right? Our goal is top 1000 rank. Now how to achieve it? What is the action plan for achieving this? So now I'll be talking about the action plan. What exactly you need to do to achieve this target? Okay. So now if you see, we have 6 months left, right? October, November, December, January, February and March. Right, so 6 months, I can say roughly 6 months. April, in the month of April there will be exam. You might get 10-15 days at that time, but I have not counted that. Okay, because at that time you will not be preparing any topic, you will be mostly focusing on revision and mock test, right? So that is why our main time that we have for this exam is your 6 months, October to March. Now if you see here, the 6.5 months I have written, including 15 days of April. Okay, 15 days of April. Okay, now if you see October to January, that is one phase. So this is your first phase. Okay, next we have February to March, that is February and March, this is your second phase. And your third phase is April, 15 days, the most important phase. So exam this year it was conducted on April 18th and 19th. So we can expect that most probably around the same days it will be conducted. So you can say roughly 15 days you will get in the month of April. Okay, so the phases are clear. The first phase is your October to January. Second phase February and March. Third phase is April with 15 days. Okay, now what are we exactly going to do in this 3 months? Sorry, in these 3 phases. So in October and January, we'll be focusing on syllabus completion. Okay, syllabus completion of PU1, PU2 and PU1. Okay, the main focus should be completing the syllabus in this period of time. Okay, now coming to February and March. So this will be the month where you will be writing the board exam. So in March you will be writing board examinations. In February you will be devoting to prepare for your board examinations. Now here I'll also tell you, do not neglect your board examinations. It is also a part of your KCET rank because it carries 50% weightage, right? So do not neglect for your board examinations. So Feb month you have to, your practicals will be mostly over. So the whole February month you can dedicate solely for getting 290 plus in your PCM board examinations. Okay, so we'll focus on board examinations here. Then in the April last 15 days we'll be focusing on solely on KCET examination. I hope these three phases are clear. So total 6.5 months I can say, or around 6 months you can say. So your October, November and December will be mostly for syllabus completion. Then February and March will be solely dedicated for your board examination. In February you will be preparing, March you will be writing the examination. Between that also your board preparation will be going on. Then in the month of April, 15 days where it is there, at that time you can focus on solely on KCET examination. Okay, so I hope this division is clear. Okay, so now now let us talk about syllabus completion, how we are going to complete exactly the syllabus. Okay, so first is 80-20 rule. What does this rule says? That in the 80% of the questions will be asked from 20% syllabus. Okay, so what that means, that and in KCET especially 70% questions will be asked from your PU2. 70% means you can expect 40 plus questions out of 60 will be asked from your PU2. So our task is to focus majorly on the PU2 topics. Okay, now if you see, there are 37 chapters in PU2, 10 from chemistry, 14 physics and 13 maths. Okay, now if you see PU1 chapter, you have 37 chapters here, 19 chemistry, 14 physics and 14 maths chapter. Okay, so first target is to finish these 37 chapter. Okay, finish them first. Okay, now I'll be giving you some timeline so that you can have clear targets about the completion of the chapters. So these 37 chapters that I told you of PU2 should be done by December 20. Remember the deadline, put it on the calendar, mark it that by December 20 you need to complete these 37 chapters. Now talking about the for PU1 chapters, you can focus from 21st December to 31st Jan. So almost you have 40 days here, right? In 40 days you have to complete 37 chapters. Right, so remember, you need not complete all the chapters here, just focus on the high weightage topic. So I'm telling you, for PU1 you cannot complete the 100% syllabus, you do not have enough time now, so just you need to focus on the high weightage chapters. Now if you see here December 20, which I told, right, so October, November, December, so here we have around 9 weeks left. Okay, 9 weeks left, so you have to complete at least 4 chapters per week. Okay, now my suggestion will be, in this 4 chapters you can mix like 2 maths, 1 chemistry and 1 physics. Okay, this will help you, so that as generally students find difficulty in maths, so you can have a balance between them. 2 maths chapter, so that you can complete the syllabus well in time. Now next thing, you have to study 2 subjects per day. Okay, so you have to mix 1 easy and 1 difficult subject according to your strength and weakness. So you can have combinations like physics chemistry, physics maths or maths chemistry. Okay, and then you can study 2 subjects per day. Next, you should prepare a monthly study plan. So as I told you, we have up to by December 20 you need to finish these 37 chapters. So next you have to make a monthly study plan where you will write in October which chapters, the name, chapter name you should write, which chapters you are going to complete, right? Similarly for November and then for December. Okay, these things you should be knowing. Okay, so now you should prepare a monthly plan where roughly you have to write how many chapters, which chapters you are going to cover in these particular months. Okay, that is about syllabus completion. Now we will see that like I have made certain videos in my channel which will help you and guide you to make your study planner. So you can watch these videos. So first one is study plan. So here I have explained everything in detail. Okay, how many hours you need to study, how many slots you need to give, how to arrange the chapters. So please watch this video. You can see the duration is little longer, around 1 hour video is there, but after you watch this video you'll have a clear picture about how to make a study plan. Okay, so it is very important to make your strategy very strong. The one who makes the good strategy and works on it will definitely achieve the success, right? So please watch this video and make a detailed study plan for you. Next, second one, because I told you that PUC, that second PCM marks are also very important. So how to get very good marks in your PCM, what is the strategy you need to follow there? So that is what I have discussed in this video. This is also long video, around 50 minutes. So please watch these two videos so that you will have a clear idea about how to prepare for KCET and how to prepare for PU simultaneously. Okay, and next, here I have discussed all the most important chapters of all the 3 subjects. So just have a look and the order in which you need to finish these chapters. Okay, fine. Next, coming to resources. So this is very important. You should, first thing is very important, that you should have limited resources. Resources should be limited and should be relevant. Okay, you should not be doing something which is not asked in the exam, because now you have very less time. So you need to focus on the limited resources. Okay, limited but relevant resources. So I'll be telling you the list of these resources. First one should be your NCERT book. Okay, so this is the primary resource. Okay, most important one, primary resource. You cannot ignore NCERT at any cost. Okay, next, if you have joined some coaching centers, that is fine. Their coaching notes will be there. You can practice from them, or you can just use some reference books for solving questions. And if you are having still some doubt in particular concepts, you are not getting cleared through NCERT, then you can use reference books. But I will not recommend reference book for studying for KCET unless you have like not understood any concept properly. Okay, next, you can use this reference books for practicing questions. Okay, next, short notes. That is very, very important. Once you study in from your coaching or from your class or from videos, from wherever you are studying, make short notes. Okay, this is important, very important. And lastly, you have to practice PYQs of last 15 years. So here you can practice KCET PYQs plus Comet K PYQs. Okay, try these two PYQs of last 15 years. Okay, so that's all the resources. Do not go for many resources. Focus on multiple revisions of these limited resources. Okay, if you do not have any coaching notes, you just go for reference book for question practice. But if you are not understanding any particular concept or some particular concept is weak, to strengthen that, you can follow reference book. Okay, fine. Next, coming to the important chapters. This is very, very important. So first we'll discuss about the subject physics. So here I have written the weightage according to the KCET examination and in the second PUC examination, right? So if you can see that boxes which are marked with green, okay, they are your high weightage topics. So you can see electric charges, electrostatics and capacitance, current, electricity, moving charges and magnetism, ray optics and optical instruments. These are your high weightage topics. We need to finish them first. Next, if you talk about the moderate weightage, electromagnetic induction, alternating current, wave optics, and you have semiconductors and electronics. So next you have to finish these chapters. Next, if you talk about the low weightage topic, we have magnetism and matter, electromagnetic waves, atoms and nuclei. Okay, so now I'll be telling you a very important thing, that is what should be the order to finish the physics chapter. So this should be the order of the physics chapter: high weightage, high weightage, moderate weightage, and then low weightage. So you can see you have to first complete electric charges and fields, electrostatic potential and capacitance, current, electricity, moving charges, and then ray optics. So I told you you should make a month-wise plan, right? So in October and mid-November, try to finish these high important chapters. Okay. Next, in the moderate, so I can write here, you can finish these chapters by November, right? By mid-November, try to finish these chapters. Then this one you can do electromagnetic and induction, alternating current, wave optics, dual nature, and semiconductors and electronics. So this you can do by like up to December 10. So I'm just giving you a rough idea. Based on your strength and weakness, you have to manage this. Then the next week, like low weightage chapters, magnetism, electromagnetic waves, atoms and nuclei, by December 20 you can finish them. Okay, so again, this is not any hard and fast rule. Based on your strength and weakness, you have to do it. So just check which one is available, like which chapter your weakness, give them more time, which is your high, like you are strong at them, give them less, but the order of the finishing the chapter should be this one. Okay, similarly we have done for chemistry. So you can see what is the order of finishing the chapters. So in chemistry there is no low weightage topic, because you know only 19 chapters are there, sorry, only 10 chapters are there in your PU2. So all the chapters are high or moderate weightage, right? So you have to complete all the 10 chapters. There is no question of leaving any chapter in chemistry. Okay, so now if you see, first you need to complete solutions, electrochemistry, kinetics, aldehydes, coordination. Okay, so try to finish these chapters by, so for chemistry I can say you can easily complete these chapters by October end. Okay, then these chapters you can finish by November end. So 2 months, I believe 2 months is enough to finish the syllabus of chemistry. Okay, you can just do all the reactions, all the formulas. 2 months is more than enough to finish the PU2 chemistry syllabus. So by November end it should be done all the 10 chapters. Okay, so here you can see DNF block, alcohols, haloalkanes, biomolecules and amines. Clear? Now coming to maths. So here also we have marked all the high weightage and low weightage. You can take a screenshot of this and you can mark the weightage wise the value of each chapter. Now the order of finishing these chapters will be continuity and differentiality, integrals, then determinants, vector algebra, probability 2, application of derivatives, 3D geometry. Okay, so there are more number of high weightage topics. So I can say you just try to finish these topics by November end. Okay, then relation functions, matrices, differential equations, applications and trigonometric functions, this you can do till December 15th. Okay, then linear programming, there is only one low weightage topic, so just try to finish them by December 20. Okay, or you can take here till December 18th, 2 days for December 20. Okay, so you will get almost 18 days here. Okay, and I can say more than like 50 days here almost. Okay, so like that you can plan. Just these dates you can change according to your strength and weakness. Okay, I'm just giving you a rough idea. Okay, like this you need to plan that in November month, in October month, in your monthly study plan you have to give this month which chapters, next month which chapters. Okay, and you have to strictly attain, like write and achieve this target. Okay, next coming to revision. This is very important and this is the thing most of the students do mistake. They do not revise. Okay, so do not make this mistake. You must revise. Okay, so now revision can be done under two categories. First is revision when there is you are preparing, like this, say 3-4 months when you are preparing for the exam, when you are completing the syllabus. Next revision is during the exam, that last 10-15 days revision should be in a different way. Okay, now how you should revise now? You should review your short notes daily. Okay, like suppose today you studied, like on day 1 you studied topic 1. Okay, on day 2 you studied topic 2. On day 2 you should revise topic 1 and topic 2. Next, if you are going for day 3, your revision should be for topic 1, topic 2 and topic 3. Then once you go for day 4, your revision should be for topic 1 to topic 4. It may seem little tedious, like as you study more and more, the amount of time that you are giving for revision will also increase, right? But if you are, just imagine you are revising this topic 1 after up to 10 days you have revised it. Now you will not take more time to revise it. You can just revise that topic in 5 to 10 minutes, right? So that is how you will be able to save the time. And one more suggestion from my side, that try to revise in the starting of the day. I feel this is again a personal suggestion, not a mandatory condition. So when you start your day, just start with the revision so that you feel motivated, confident, and then you can go ahead with your preparation. That is my suggestion. I feel that is better, but again you can change according to your convenience. Okay, So next, you should revise on a daily, weekly and monthly basis. So weekly, whatever you have studied on that 6 days, it should be revised on the Sunday. You can just use Sunday more time for revision. And once in a month, once you have completed the whole month, whatever 3-4 chapters you must have listed, so give a monthly test. For this monthly test, you can dedicate one full day. One full day. For weekly revisions, you can denote half day. And for daily basis, you can revise for 1 hour. Okay. Next, coming to revision during the exam, the last 10 to 15 days, how you should revise. So that is very important. So in the last days, that is your last 10 to 15 days of the exam, you have to revise 4 to 5 times, but not the complete syllabus, but the 80% of syllabus from where the question should be asked, that must be revised at least 4 to 5 times in the last 10 to 15 days. Okay, so you can use this 80% of syllabus should be revised again and again 4 to 5 times you should revise. After that also, if you are having time, you can go for the revision of 20% syllabus. Okay, so I hope revision part is clear. Important things that I have to tell you is you have to revise on daily, weekly and monthly basis. Daily you should give 1 hour. Weekly, on Sundays you can give half a day for revision, and for monthly 1 full day you need to give. Okay, fine. Next, most important thing, the last step that I am telling you is mock test. So most of the students again make this mistake, they do not write mock test. If you do not write mock test, you will not be able to know the level of your preparation, where you are actually standing. Okay, so that is why mock tests are very important. So you should not give you cannot give complete test now, so you should give part test every week. Okay, so you have a weekly target, these chapters you will be completing in this particular week, so write to give test on this particular chapters that you have completed in that week. Okay, Sunday you can give 1 hour test. Now here also from our channel you can take the mock test. Every Sunday we are launching the mock test. You can go and attempt those tests also if you are not having any other source. Okay, next, during exam, like in the last 10 to 15 days of exam, you need to write at least 12 to 15 mock test is mandatory. Okay, so if you can write more than that, that is very good, but this is minimum 12 to 15 mock tests you have to write. Next, you should write under exam conditions. Okay, exam conditions means what? You should sit for, per subject is 80 minutes, right? You are writing subject wise, so you should sit for 80 minutes without any disturbance. Then you should not have any calculator. Right. Next, coming to analyze them. So once you write the mock test, analyze them. That is very, very important. Here you should know like which questions you did wrong, which questions were wrong. That is the first thing you need to know. Next, you need to know why that is wrong. What is the reason for that question being wrong? This is very important. Once you understand the reason, you can work on it. Like there may be reason like you did not understand the concept, or some new concept have been asked which you haven't studied, or there may be some error in the calculation, there may be error in the interpretation of the question, silly mistakes, it can be anything, right? So whichever, so you need to make a table like this. Okay, I tell this in, so you have to write a question number here. First column should be question number. Okay, then you have to write here whether it is correct or wrong. If it is wrong, write the reason. Then you have to write that question is from which chapter. Okay, write the chapter name and then write the reason why it is wrong. Okay, like this you need to analyze for each and every question. Okay, if you have written the test for 80 minutes, you need to spend at least 30 minutes, or you can say 20 minutes for analysis. Okay, so spend at least 20 minutes for analysis. Spend at least 20 minutes should be there for analyzing the test. Next, whichever you see, now whichever chapter, suppose you have written 30 questions, right? 1, 2, 3, 30 questions test you wrote. Then you saw that the number of mistakes are from solutions chapter. That means your solution chapter is weak. You need to do more revision, more practice questions, more examples from that particular chapter. So once, if you do not analyze them, you will not be able to know your weak areas. So that is why it is very important first to analyze your weak areas, to understand, to analyze your test, from that derive which is my weak areas, after that work on those weak areas. Okay, so that is a complete strategy for your KCET 2025 examination to get under 1000 rank. Let us revise all the points once again. First of all, you need to have a clear target. our target is fixed, the top 1000 rank, and for that how much marks we need to score, that we should be knowing, right? That is the first thing. Second, after finishing the target is your action plan. What should be the duration? You have 6 months, 180 days. So we will be dividing it into 3 phases, right? So first, your up to December 20 will be your first phase, where you are going to cover like up to January you need to complete the syllabus, February and March for board examinations, April for KCET preparation. Third is understanding the syllabus, right? So how I told you the order in which you need to complete the syllabus, so just focus on that and complete the syllabus accordingly with the deadlines. So I told you till December 20 you need to complete the PU2 topics, okay? For every subject also I gave you a rough idea, so you can change it that, but that should be the average amount of time that you need, okay? After that, resources. So do not go for multiple resources. Our main focus should be on NCERT, any one reference material, PYQs and short notes. Next, very important, fifth one is your revision. So revision on weekly, monthly and daily basis. During exam time, how to revise, I'll making a video later also, but now also I'll tell you, you should revise the 4 to 5 times the 80% of syllabus. And last and the most important mistake that most of you do, that you feel very lazy to write mock test, but do not do that. Please write mock test. If any source is not available, in our channel every Sunday we are having PCM mock test, so please download it. Almost 6 mock tests in 6 to 5 mock test in physics and chemistry is already completed. Maths also, I think second 2 or 3 mock tests have been given. So please go through that, solve them. Solution videos are also there. So everything is available. The only thing needed is your dedication, your hard work, and how much effort you are ready to put to get that top 1000 rank. How much hungry you are to get their rank. That will decide how you are working, right? So after that, do not forget to analyze the mock test, okay? Once you analyze, then you can work. And if you do analyze, just trust me, just try to analyze 3 mock tests, okay? You are writing the test, analyze it, and then you focus, you try to practice this. You will see that there is an improvement in your score in the every mock test you are writing, okay? I can challenge you, I can guarantee you. Please accept this and work on it, okay? So yes, that was, as I told you, a 6-month strategy. So make so students, I can say this 6 months, okay, this is your like make or break period. You need to work hard if you want the top 1000 rank, if you want to get into the top colleges, if you want to see yourself in your dream branch, dream college, right? So please work hard. The only thing I can say is motivate yourself. You should have a reason of working every day. So that can be anything, but find your motivation, work every day, and do not delay, do not procrastinate your preparation right now, because time is limited, the syllabus is huge, and you have a lot of things to do. Board exams are also coming, so it will be completely messed up if you do not have a proper strategy. So please follow this video and make your own strategy and start your preparation. All the very best for your KCET examination. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe the channel for more such videos.